Hello everyone, Namaskara, and it's great to have you all back again. Summers have descended in Texas and the next few months are going to be brutal here. Being outdoors is almost like sitting in the oven. I as an adult want to stay indoors, but having a toddler who enjoys being outdoors makes this really tough. So let's get rolling to enjoy some cool activities that I came up for him this summer at almost no cost. My son is fascinated by anything with wheels, as you see. I'm sure a lot of toddlers are this way. Realizing his interest, my husband actually picked up this lawn mower that actually blows bubbles as it moves. It comes with a bubble liquid, but it gets over really fast. This toy is well worth the investment because it's 3 times the fun in one. It mows the lawn, it has wheels to play with, and it blows bubbles. Best toy ever for $20. Not only did this keep him entertained the first day we unboxed it, but he actually goes back to it every time we are in the backyard now. So that's a win-win situation. If you don't have access to these kinds of toys, I suggest you just have fun with bubbles with your kids because kids love them. My next activity is called the Erupting Ice. For this, all you need is 1/4 cup of baking soda. And I'm adding in few drops of food color, and you can use this totally if you have at home, or else completely omit it. And then adding in water to get a consistent mixture. Pour this into an ice cube tray and let this sit in the freezer until it's time to bring them outdoors. The day I decided to try this activity with my son, I popped the ice cubes from the tray and put them in the water table that I already have. Now all you need is vinegar, preferably in a squeeze bottle. Just squeeze the vinegar on top of these ice cubes to see them fizz out completely. This needed adult supervision for his age, just to make sure he didn't touch his eyes or something. And I also realized it would be a great activity and he would enjoy this even more if he was a little bit older. So if you have kids older than 20 months, give this activity a try and also try and make colorful ice cubes for all the more fun. My next activity is another easy one. Mix water with food color. I add colors to just make it fun, but you don't have to use them at all. I added yellow and a blue here. Pop this tray in the freezer and take them out the day you're ready to do the activity. All you have to do is put the ice cubes in the water table and let them explore. He's more interested in putting things from one place to another, so there you go. But he actually ran out because it was too cold for him and I had to convince him and bring him back in. So I made sure I added in some water so that it would be a little warmer for him to touch and the ice would melt a little faster as well. He just loved playing with the ice cubes and watching the ice melt and also the colors blending in. And once it all melted, this happened. Pure joy. Another activity that my son is obsessed with is pouring liquids from one cup into another. All you need for this is cups of different sizes with colored water. As usual, if you don't want to use colors, you don't have to. Even before I could bring my camera out, he had started playing with it. As boring as this sounds, the concentration that he puts into dumping water is just insane. Please let me know in the comments below if your kids love this as well. He can do this for hours actually. I also note that this is an actual lesson in the Montessori school system, so a great activity for learning fine motor skills as well. It helps them practice and get a hang of it. Another great activity for absolutely no cost, or probably a little cost for the inflatable pool, but this is the inflatable pool, but honestly you can use a huge bucket as well. Just fill them up with bubble bath liquid, balls, and let them have fun. He was just trying to pick out the bubbles here and just flap his hands to see if they're going to go somewhere, but it was all in vain. And then we were instructing him to just sit in there, and he was just clapping and enjoying this whole process. Another great way to beat the heat and just have fun. All kids love playing with water, and sprinklers are the best way to enjoy in the summer months. If you don't have that kind of space or a sprinkler system, just connect your regular hose with a spray head, or even a water bottle with holes into your hose will act as a spray. And look at this guy, how he just stands in front of the spray head and just gets drenched completely. I think this is a perfect recipe for play on a hot day, enjoying hours of outdoor play and managing to beat the heat. He loves this so much that it becomes a hassle to take him inside the house after. Simple pleasures of life. The point here is to create activities based on their interest. Honestly, I think it's so much more fun than sitting indoors and playing with toys. My son is not a toy person at all. It probably would be his last resort to sit in front of the toys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please do try these activities with your little ones and let me know how they enjoyed it. Thank you all for stopping by. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon. Until next time, bye-bye.